Hello students, I am back with another video web development course. We are on Bootstrap. Hope you are getting my all points easily and doing practice. So today I will teach you about slider. Go to Visual Studio Code and open your new file with Ctrl N. Now Ctrl plus S and save it. Save this file in that Bootstrap folder which you created first. I am giving a name of slider to this file. And as you remember, .html is compulsory. Now HTML ratio 5. A shortcode to type all that structure. In that head tag, you have to paste that Bootstrap links to link this file with Bootstrap. But for slider, we have some extra CDNs. You can get these links from Google easily. Because of copyright claim, I have to cut that video from where I am copying that CDNs. But I will paste in description that links. You can easily copy from there. You can paste that links here. And now in body, open a div. With ID. You can't put here class, and if you remember I told you first that we do need hash for ID. And dot for class. Remember that this is what I have typed also. Now in this div, give it ID demo. Here you can type anything, it's up to you. After that semicolon, space and a class. Carousel slide. After that semicolon, space data ride. Carousel. Carousel is used for to slide a data. Open another div in this div. You can give ID or class to this div. I am using class. Carousel inner for specify that this is a sub div of slider. In this div, open a new div. Carousel item for specify that this div have data which have to slide. Active command is used to tell that the data of this div shows first and then all div one by one. In this div, add an image. Hope you remember how to add an image. I already covered this topic. If you don't watch that, I will link in that at the last of this video. After that, active tag, enter and open another tag of image. Make sure you have all images in that folder where you have saved that file. If you want more images in that slider, after that div tag, open another div. I am adding 3 pics. I am doing copy paste for one more time. To add the last image. I have already downloaded all images which I have to show on slider. Minimize this and I can show you this, this and this. These all images I have to show on slider, but these are on desktop. I have to cut this and paste in that folder where I have already saved that file. Here you can see the type of images. If you don't know about type of images, I will also link that video in last of this video. Now open Visual Studio Code. After that div, we have to add icon previous and icon next. For that, open a link tag. I also uploaded how to link a file lecture. Go watch that also. If you don't type demo here and type anything else here, you have to type that same word here also. In this, open a span tag. After that A tag, open a last tag of link. Carousel control next for next icon. Same as above. If you don't type demo here, you have to type the same word here and here, which you type here in first. Control S and save this file. Go to that folder where you saved that file and open it within Chrome. Now you can see images are sliding automatically, and you can also change that from there. Preview icon, and next icon. You can change the images manually and they can slide automatically also. That's it. This is today's class. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel and click on bell icon. Also, if you have any questions, ping me on Facebook page, link in description. And the last thing, show some support on Patreon, link is also in description. Thank you.